And what's up, guys? What is going on? So what are we doing today? As you guys can see, the M is completely filthy. It's been sitting here under this tree for, I don't know, a month. Look at that. That's so bad. Yeah, I need to wash it. It's, oh my goodness. I hope the camera can pick all this up. It's so bad. Look at that. It's horrible. But yeah, so why has the M been parked here for the last month? Well, let me show you guys why. Okay, you guys see that? There you go. See that? See all that stuff? Yeah, that's why the car has been stopped. And you guys hear that too? So the car is in limp mode. My throttle actuators went bad, and I was waiting for replacements, and they came in, but I just haven't got time to do it. But today I'm gonna try to fix them up. So I already did them one time, so I'm gonna try to do them again. So let's go ahead and put the car inside the garage. Alright guys, I got the M inside the garage. So let's go ahead and pop the hood open. And what I'm trying to be fixing is the throttle actuators. I got two brand new actuators from there you go, from Empower Motorsports. They have rebuilt actuators that are supposed to outlive the car itself, with upgraded gears and upgraded electronic parts. I already did this once, but I used my friend's old actuators and they went bad, so I'm gonna be swapping those up again. So the process to do that is take out the plenum, the air intake. After you take them, you plug a couple of sensors. I think there's like 5 different sensors you gotta unplug from right here and back there. And after that, it's everything right in the middle. So let me get on my tools and then let's get to it. Alright guys, so first thing to do is take out these 2 tent right here that hold down the air box and loose down. Look, this thing has spider webs. I don't know if you guys can see them. There you go. See that? It has spider webs. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so you take out these 2 tents and then you loose down the clamps for the dyno intake, and all this comes right out. Unplug the sensor right over here, or whatever this is, and then I'll show you guys what's after that. Alright guys, so I got the airbox and the intake out. Now I gotta unplug this sensor and this hose right here in the back. Once I unplug those two, there are 10 millimeters underneath the plenum that I need to loosen up to bring this up. Right here you can see 1, 2, 3, and the other one's like behind right here. So there's 4 on each side for each throttle body. So let me go ahead and get those out the way, and then I'll show you what's next. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes I got the plenum out, and I lied. These little clamps right here, they are actually, where is it? It's right here. It's a 6, I believe. Yep, it's a 6 socket. Yeah, it's a 6 millimeter socket. It won't focus, but yeah. So it's a 6 millimeter socket, and also I forgot that there's also this little hose connected. So for the plenum, you got this sensor right here, 1 and 2 hoses that you gotta unplug. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, you can see the bank 1 and bank 2 throttle actuators. So this is the rod for bank, I think this is bank 2, and then right over here we have the rod right here for bank 1. So now what I gotta do is disconnect the 2 rods, take out the nuts for the engine harness, unplug these sensors, 1, 2, and I think there's like 4 of them right here at the bottom. So take the nuts out, unplug the 4 or 5 sensors, lift up the harness, and unscrew the actuators, and that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and do that, and yeah. Alright guys, so I made some progress and I forgot to record, but I got towels on every throttle body, so it's 8 of them, so I just cover them just in case anything drops or goes inside, we're protected. There's a lot of more connectors that I forgot, so it's this one all the way at the bottom. You got this one right here, you got this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, then you got the 2 for the actual actuators, and then there's this one right here that's still gotta undo. But after you take out these 2 nuts and the ones in the back, you can actually raise the pump, lift it up a little bit, and then you can just take a rod or anything that you have right there, so you have space underneath, so you can take out the actuators. So now we got, let me show you. Okay, so that right there, that's actuator, that's bank 2 actually. So the only thing that there is to it, there's let me show you guys. There's I think 3 bolts, so it's 1, 2, 3 bolts, and I think they're 10 millimeters. So take out the 3 on each, and it should come right out. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so I got the actuators out, and the bolts are actually hexes. I think it's a 4, or I can't see. Oh, it's a T30. There you go. So yeah, so it's 3, 1, 2, and 3. And you can just get them from the top. You just go on top, get an extension, and that's pretty easy. So now all you gotta do is install the new ones and transfer the little rods that it comes with, and goes everything back together. So let me start putting everything back together, and I'll see you guys when everything's done. Alright guys, so I got everything back together. All the sensors, all the lines, everything's hooked up. So now let me go ahead and turn this on, and hopefully everything's good now. Alright guys, moment of truth. Emissions, which is the cats, so we're good. Alright, so I just plugged in the reader, and it was only the save code for the bank 1. I erased it, we're good. So I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it out for a little spin, see what's up. Alrighty, so I took the car out for a spin, quick 30-minute drive. Nothing came out, so it's sure to say that the car is finally fixed again, once again. Yeah, so the car is good now, it's running, no codes, nothing, so I'm stoked about that. Yeah, so next time I just gotta wash it, give it some love. I got so many parts for it. I got, where is it? I got that box from IND, and I got this box also, so you guys need to stay tuned for what's on there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, I appreciate it. Stay tuned. Like it, comment, and subscribe please. I'll see you guys in the next one.